Hi guys, so the Golf's looking great with their new front wings, look at that. So now, the headlights look really dull. So I'm going to give these a good old going over with some wet and dry and then some polish. So I'm going to start off with some 800 grit, very lightly. Some people would probably say this is too coarse, but it's wet, so it's okay. But I've got to be very careful not to touch my new wing. Well, that's the 800 done. Loads of shit's come off there. A bit of a wipe off, and now I've got lots of scratches from the 800 and it looks a bit cloudy. But don't panic, that's all part of the process. So now I've got some 2000 grit, then they're nice and wet. Do it all again with the 2000. Right, it's already looking much better compared to the other one. Now I've done the 2000, done the 800. Next one is 4000. That is looking much better. No yellowing now. So now I'm going to go with some 7000 grit. Look at that. I haven't even polished it yet and it already looks good. Rinse it off with some clean water. You want to let that dry and then do the polishing stage. While that's drying, I'll go over and do the other headlight the same as this one. So this is me doing the other headlight with all of the different grits, and then I forgot to take my phone off time lapse, so I put some rubbing compound on this one, and then a bit of T-cut, rub that in, looking good now. This is polish, final stage, lovely. And here it is before, and look at the difference after, wow.